Hello, my name is Alicia Shapiro with AInews.com, and I'm here today with Jason with seekr. Jason, can you introduce yourself and tell us about your company?
Yes, my name is Jason Heki. I'm an enterprise account manager here at seekr Technologies, and we are an AI end-to-end platform with a focus on pre-training and fine-tuning AI models and preparing the data so that companies get the most accurate results for their business needs.
Oh, wow. That is so helpful because I know a lot of people have problems with the data. They don't know how to structure it. They don't know how to position it in a way that will benefit their company. That's amazing.
Exactly. But what we really see is that there's a lot of infrastructure complexity. There's a lot of labor intensive tasks, and there's a cost in terms of budget as well as the time to market or deployment.
Yeah.
And so what we want to do is reduce all of those things by automating the processes so that people can be involved in more strategic tasks.
Oh, I love that. Yeah, that's great. And could you share an example where AI played a crucial role in your company?
Yeah. So one example is our customer, OneValley. So OneValley is a resource for entrepreneurs, and they have 30 million customers that will use them to find business tools for entrepreneurs and startups as they're building their businesses. And the challenge is really that these entrepreneurs have to become experts at tool selection, which is really time consuming and not what these visionaries are best equipped to do. And so OneValley was able to use seekr to align a model to their product suggester recommendation engine and streamline the process of giving valuable insights to these entrepreneurs that are coming to them for recommendations.
That's amazing. Really big impact then.
Exactly.
And as AI continues to evolve, what are some emerging trends that you're most excited about in your field?
I think for emerging trends, agentic systems is going to be a really big one.
Oh, yeah.
With what companies are building right now, the ability to fine tune a model and to normalize data contextually in a RAG database that agentic systems are built on is going to result in better business outcomes. The agents will be more accurate. They'll be more precise. It will reduce hallucinations and increase the speed and efficiency on a technical level that the agents are able to do the work that they're tasked to do. So I really think that's one of the biggest things on the horizon.
Yeah. And in regards to data, how do you guys handle the data privacy and security of the customers?
So that's really important. One is having a good governance program to begin with. So companies that have data silos, it's good for them to start mapping out what their data governance is going to look like and identifying where PII and regulated data exists. And then within the seekr platform, security and privacy are both incredibly important. We are aligned with HIPAA and GDPR, and we have features that allow citation and traceability of data. Auditing for bias and security and privacy is really important with AI models. And so we have the ability for companies to do this transparently. They're able to audit the reasoning steps within the AI models, and they're able to see what resources or what data are producing the outcomes that the models are generating in order to make sure that they're tuning them for the correct kind of output.
That's awesome. And what's one piece of advice you'd give to someone who's maybe just starting to explore the world of AI?
I would say one is going to HumanX and other conferences like this.
Yes.
And really just networking, because this is a burgeoning industry and there are lots of gaps in all the ideas that are going around. So I think it's really important for people to get best practices and ideas, ask other people what they're doing, look at what companies are trying to fill when they're filling a niche area, and then get some hands-on experience. Even though I'm in account management, I've still gone on and gotten industry trainings in like very high level coding and just to understand what the models are doing. I think understanding it a little bit at a technical level and having some hands-on experience really helps you get past the stereotypes that people who aren't in the industry have about AI, and then be more effective in how you navigate that.
I think that's great advice because for me, I learn by doing. And if you can't get your hands in it and play with the tools, then you just don't learn it as fast.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's great. Thanks, Jason, for joining us and giving us a few minutes of your time.
My pleasure. Thanks so much, Alicia.
Oh, and how can people find seekr?
Oh, seekr.com is our website. And you can reach out to me on LinkedIn as well, but we have a lot of resources there that talk to some of the great use cases that we have going on right now. And you can reach out to get some experience in the platform as well, if you'd like.
Awesome. Thanks again for joining us.
Yeah, definitely. Thank you.